Which quiet blender is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the best options. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 quiet blenders with sound enclosures that can save your sanity in the kitchen. Product number 1, Want Join Professional Commercial Blender. First up is the Want Join Professional Commercial Blender. At around $199.99, this model caught my eye with its sleek design and powerful specs. If you want a professional-grade blender that keeps the noise down, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Want Join boasts a robust 2200W motor and an 80 Oz soundproof shield, making it perfect for whipping up smoothies, sauces, or even baby food without waking the entire household. It operates at 38,000 RPM, which means you can blend ice into snow in seconds. Plus, the dual-direction blade technology ensures everything mixes evenly. Now some people complained about the weight. It's a bit bulky and not the easiest to store. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about blending and need a machine that can handle heavy use, this weight also translates to durability. This is perfect for you if you often need to prepare large quantities or run a business. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact for quick, occasional use. For the price, you're getting a lot of powerful features. Now, if the size of the Want Join bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, CRANDDI Quiet Commercial Blender. Next up is the CRANDDI Quiet Commercial Blender, which also retails for $199.99. What caught my attention is its soundproof shield that promises to keep noise under 70 dB if you want a high-capacity blender that won't disturb your peace. This one's a strong contender. Its 80 Oz capacity allows you to blend large batches, whether it's smoothies or soups. Users have praised its ability to mix without splatter, which means less cleanup for you. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 504 reviews, it's clear this blender is making a good impression too. On the downside, some folks mention that it's too tall to fit under standard kitchen cabinets. But here's the thing, if you have enough counter space, the height is actually a benefit as it allows for a larger blending pitcher. This is perfect for you if you entertain often and need to whip up drinks for a crowd. Skip this one if you have limited countertop space. For the money, you're getting a powerful, quiet blender that does the job. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Want Join Professional Grade Blender. Coming in at $207.99, we have the Want Join Professional Grade Blender. What really caught my eye is its removable soundproof shield, making it very versatile. If you want a blender that combines flexibility with quiet operation, this one's worth considering. This blender packs a powerful 2000W motor and a 67 Oz capacity, which is ample for most kitchen tasks. Users love its multifunctionality. It can handle everything from smoothies to ice cream, and the self-cleaning feature makes post-blending cleanup a breeze. With a 4.4-star rating from 377 reviews, it seems to be resonating with many buyers. However, some users pointed out that the plastic container feels a bit less durable than glass. But honestly, for the price and the convenience it offers, I wouldn't let that dissuade you if you're looking for a quiet option. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional blender that doesn't disrupt your peace. Skip this one if you prefer a glass container for durability. For its capabilities, the price is pretty fair. Now, if the removable shield aspect intrigued you, wait until you hear about our next pick. Product number 4, Want Join Commercial Blender. Next, we have the Want Join Commercial Blender priced at $229.99. The standout feature that grabbed my attention is the LED touch panel for easier control. If you want precision in your blending, this blender could be just what you need. With a capacity of 68 Oz and a powerful 30,000 RPM motor, this model is built for serious blending. The quiet enclosure reduces noise by 30%, making it more comfortable to use. Plus, the 4.4-star rating from 130 reviews shows it's well received by users. That said, some users mention that the touch panel can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it actually allows for more precise control over your blends, which is great for specific recipes. This is perfect for you if you want a blender that gives you more control over texture. Skip this one if you prefer straightforward manual controls. For its features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you like the idea of a touch panel but want something smaller, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Hijala Commercial Blender. Last but not least, we have the Hijala Commercial Blender, which is the most affordable on our list at $179.99. The soundproof shield drew me in, and it's got some solid power too. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is definitely worth a look. It even has a variable speed control, so you can achieve the perfect texture for your recipes. Plus, it's rated 4.1 stars from 50 reviews, which is pretty decent for its price range. However, some people found the design a bit basic compared to others. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for function over form, this blender offers excellent performance at a good price. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want quality. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end aesthetic. For the price, you can't beat the value. That wraps up our list of quiet blenders that deliver on performance while keeping noise to a minimum. So there you have it. The Want Join Professional Commercial Blender, the CRANDDI Quiet Commercial Blender, the Want Join Professional Grade Blender, the Want Join Commercial Blender, and the Hijala Commercial Blender. Each option has its strengths, whether it's power, capacity, or price. Choose the one that fits your needs best and enjoy blending quietly.